In the vast world of military vehicle, few have stood the test of time quite like the French VAB, or véhicule de l'avant blindé. Developed in the early 1970s, the VAB has become a cornerstone of France's land-based defense systems and a trusted vehicle in dozens of other nations. Designed to be both mobile and reliable, the VAB serve an armored personnel carrier capable of traversing difficult terrain while protecting ITS occupants from small arm fire and shrapnel. ITS long service life and widespread deployment make it one of the most recognized French military vehicles ever built. When the French Army sought a modern vehicle to replace ITS' aging fleet of post-World War II transport, engineers at Renault Truck Defense took up the challenge. Their goal was to create a vehicle that could perform in a wide variety of combat scenarios, from fast, mechanized infantry support to peacekeeping and urban patrol. The VAB, which translates to Armored Vanguard Vehicle, emerged from this ambition. Mass production began in 1976, and by the end of ITS manufacturing run, over 5,000 units had been produced for both the French military and export customers around the globe. The VAB comes primarily in two configurations, 4x4 and 6x6 wheel drive, designed to match different terrain and tactical requirements. The 4x4 version is lighter and more maneuverable, while the 6x6 offers greater load capacity and stability on rugged terrain. Powered by a Renault diesel engine, the VAB can reach speeds of up to 90 km/h on road and has an operational range of more than 1,000 km. ITS mobility is one of ITS' most appreciated quality in the field, allowing it to keep pace with tank and lighter reconnaissance vehicles alike. One of the VAB key strengths lies in ITS adaptability. Over the years, it has been modified into dozens of specialized variants. While ITS standard configuration serve an armored personnel carrier capable of transporting 10 fully equipped soldiers, it has also been reconfigured into ambulance, command and communication vehicle, mortar carrier, recovery vehicle, and even electronic warfare platforms. The vehicle top is typically fitted with a 7,62 mm or 12,7 mm machine gun, though some versions carry 20 mm cannon or grenade launcher. In more recent upgrades, remote weapon stations have also been mounted, allowing soldiers to operate armament from within the safety of the vehicle's armor hull. The VAB armor is made of welded steel and provides protection against small arm fire, artillery shell splinter, and landmine. While not designed to withstand heavy anti-tank weapons, the VAB is resilient against common battlefield threats. ITS protection is further enhanced by optional add-on armor kit and mine protection plate. Many variants also include NBC, nuclear, biological, chemical, filtration systems, ensuring crew survivability in hazardous environment. A unique feature of the VAB is ITS amphibious capability. In ITS original configuration, the vehicle could traverse rivers and shallow water bodies without prior preparation. This made it particularly useful in regions with limited infrastructure. Though some upgraded versions have sacrificed this ability in favor of heavy armor or electronic systems, the amphibious design was one of the VAB original selling points and contributed greatly to ITS international appeal. Throughout ITS service life, the VAB has seen deployment in a wide range of combat and peacekeeping operations. It served in Lebanon during the Civil War, was a key component in French operations in the Gulf War, and has been extensively used in African conflicts such as those in Chad, Mali, and Ivory Coast. More recently, it has seen action in Afghanistan and supported French counter-terrorism operations in the Sahel region. ITS' ability to operate in hot, dusty, and rugged environment while providing transport and protection to troops has made it indispensable in these operations. Beyond France, the VAB has been exported to more than 30 countries, including Morocco, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. ITS affordability, reliability, and versatility have made it popular with military seeking a solid, multi-purpose vehicle that can be maintained without the high cost associated with tracked or heavy armored units. It has also been used by United Nations Peacekeeping Force in several missions, helping to provide stability in volatile regions around the world. Today, the French military is gradually replacing the VAB with more modern vehicles, most notably the Griffon VBMR, which offers greater protection, digital integration, and improved crew ergonomics. However, the VAB is expected to remain in service in various forms for years to come. In many countries, the vehicle has been upgraded with new armor, electronics, and weapons systems to extend ITS operational life and maintain ITS battlefield relevance. The legacy of the VAB is one of adaptability and endurance. Over 4 decades of continuous service have proven ITS design to be both practical and forward-thinking. While not a flashy or heavily armed tank, the VAB has quietly performed ITS duties in some of the world's most challenging environments. ITS presence has been a constant companion to infantry soldiers, offering mobility, protection, and reliability when it matters most. The VAB may not be the centerpiece of a modern armored force, but ITS contribution to military operations around the world is undeniable, and ITS story remains one of the great success in armored vehicle history.